Okay, so what I'm gonna be showing today is I'm not more into the actual tool, video editing tool. So what we'll be doing today, right, is I will be showing you that we can utilize, I'm very much sure that you are familiar with AI. It's a trend nowadays, right? You can use AI to sort of like answer things, right? So what we'll be doing today is this. We will be utilizing AI, and then from AI, we will make a script of a short video. And after that, we can use an AI platform to create the actual video, right? So take for example, think of a topic. Let's just say introduction to programming, right? So how can you make a video about introduction to programming? So typically what we'll do is we're gonna do some research, we're gonna make some script, and from that we'll be recording ourselves making the video, right? Now, yes, I'm that's good. But I just want to show you today that aside from what the traditional way of making videos, even short videos, what we can do is we can utilize the current platforms, free platforms that can create scripts for us and that can create the actual video for us, right? So what we have here is ChatGPT. So I'm very much sure that you're familiar with ChatGPT, right? So ChatGPT, we will be using ChatGPT to create the actual video detail or video script, and then we will be using another platform to create the video. Okay, so let's say, okay, let me start. I would just say, usually when I use ChatGPT, I will just say, I usually start the conversation with hi. Okay, now I will say, create a 2 minute video, a 2 minute video script about the topic introduction to C programming or C++ programming. Just to be specific. Okay, I'll just do that, and then I will wait for the AI to generate the answer. Okay, so it's actually making this detailed instruction of a 2 minute video about the introduction of C++ programming, right? Okay, it's almost done. Yeah, and I'll just say thank you. Okay, just there, thank you. And then what I'm gonna do right now is with this script that was provided to us, what we will do is we're gonna copy it, and then I'm gonna show you another AI that could actually create the video for us. It's called InVideo AI. Okay. What really matters in terms of making a short video in a micro credential is it's short but it's full of content, right? Easily digestible. Create now. I'm gonna create a video now. If you don't have an account yet, it's so easy. There's no need for a credit card or any payment scheme. What you can do is just open an account. Just create an account in InVideo with your email or with your Gmail. So here I'm gonna be creating a video now. What we have here is a text box, right? Then from the script that was given by ChatGPT, I will be pasting it here, there, and then I'm gonna be pressing generate a video. So from here, it's all about waiting. So we will just wait for InVideo to analyze your script and then basically make the video for us. Okay? So usually it doesn't take that long, especially if this is just a short video. So, by the way, in video, what really matters is your internet connection. So you need to have at least a good internet connection so that when you go ahead and make videos and when you download it eventually, it would not be that hassle or it would be quick lang compared to, if you don't have that stable connection, then you would be having a hard time completing the actual video. So there. It's it creates the title for the video. It says here that Introduction to C++ Programming, your first step. Okay, so that's the title. It's preparing sort of things for the video. And now it says it's reading the script. By the way, you're not limited to using AI, in video AI, right? There's a lot of available AI right now that can actually make videos for you. Like, for example, another one is Capwing. So I have tried that. But if you are not so, if you don't want to work with these AI platforms, what you can do is, again, there's a lot online, video editing platforms. You can go with CapCut. You can go with Clipchamp, can go with Pixlr, right? There's a lot of video editors, or Adobe, if you have Adobe Pro, if you have those subscription to the software. Now you can use those to create the short videos. Again, the ideal time would be 2 to 3 minutes. You can extend it into five, but extend it farther. Extending it farther than five, I would not suggest that in a micro learning short video context.